Hey everyone, welcome back to What the Code. Today we are going to explore one more useful NPM package. Let's be real, plain text list for your experience, education or projects can look a bit dull. Something like this and this in your web design. But don't worry, let's add some magic to your apps. Introducing React Vertical Timeline component. This component turns boring lists into dynamic, engaging timelines perfect for portfolios, projects, or task planning. It's like a glow up for your data. So let's dive in. Open your command prompt and type this command. Name your app whatever you like and follow the prompts. Select React, then JavaScript, and copy and paste the commands it provides. Next, hit npm run dev, copy the localhost URL, paste it into the Chrome, and boom, your app is alive. Back in the terminal, hit Ctrl C to stop the app, then type code space dot to open your project in VS Code. In VS Code, open a new terminal. We are setting up Tailwind CSS next. Head to the Tailwind CSS docs, grab the installation command and paste it into the terminal. While that's installing, open vite.config.js and import Tailwind and add it to the plugins array. Now open index.css, delete everything and add this line and delete app.css. Open app.js, clear out the default code for a clean functional component. Back in the terminal, type this installation string to install Heroicons and React Vertical Timeline. Alright, it's time for the grand finale, coding everything into app.js. Don't worry guys, you don't actually have to watch me type all that out. I have already pre-written the code. The GitHub link is right there in the description, so just copy and paste it into your app.js file. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. We also have to install PropTypes. Put this command in the terminal. Next up, in your terminal, hit npm run dev. Copy the URL, put it in Chrome and give yourself a high five if your app is running smoothly. That's it vlogs. Smash that like button, subscribe for more helpful videos like this and let me know what you want to see next. Peace out.